Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn two good features available in Microsoft PowerPoint. The first one is we will explore and learn header and footer, and the second one is WordArt. These both two available in the text group within the Insert tab of this application. So let's first explore the header and footer feature. So when I click on header and footer, the dialog window will appear, and here we can do customization. So for example, if we want to include date and time on slide, so I will just check mark on this checkbox, and I will select update automatically instead of going for a fixed date. You can also go for a fixed date. Sometimes you have a requirement to insert a fixed date, because when you go for the update automatically and when you open this presentation next day or after a few days, so definitely the date will change. So in some of the cases you want to be date to be fixed on your footer, right? So it's your choice, either you want to go with the update automatically option or a fixed date option. Then if you want to insert a slide number, because it's very important, so you can also check mark on this checkbox. Whatever you want to write in the footer, which is of the center of the slide at the bottom, so you can write there. So let me write Excel basement. And one more important thing is that on the title slide, which is the very first slide of your presentation, you don't want the header and footer. You want to start the header footer from the second slide. So if you don't want to have these things on your title slide, just check mark this option, don't show on title slide. The second tab available in the header and footer is for the notes and handouts layout. So if you remember, in the first video we explored the printing options, where I explain you that there are also two different kinds. Rather than slide, we have notes and handouts layout as well. So there is a separate kind of a customization available for these kind of layouts. So again, date and time option available. You can also add some customized text in the header, and also some customized text in the footer as well. Okay, so you can set the header and footer for two different kind of your presentation slide. One is for the normal kind of slides, and second for the notes and handouts, right? When you click on apply to all, so in your presentation, if there are, for example, 10 slides, this same header footer will be applied to all the slides together. And if you click on apply, so it will only apply to the current slide. So now you can see that in the footer we have date, we have the name Excel basement, and the number of slide as well. Now, the second feature of this video which we need to discuss is the word art. Now, the word art are a kind of a pre-built text layers, or you can say designs, built-in designs. So for example, if I like this design, I will click on it, and the text box will insert on your on your slide, and this is the default text, your text here. So let me write my name, Rahim Zulfikar Ali. And because this is the object, and whenever we insert or add any object on a slide, you will get a additional tab as well. So there is a additional format tab available, where you can do all different kind of customization. You can change this theme style as well, right? You can change the text for text fill colors, you can change the text outline color or shape outline color, and you can do some formatting with respect to the alignment, bringing this object backward or forward. So I hope these two options will also add meaning to your slides, header and footer, and word art. Thank you.